Welcome back, Aventon owners. Tell you what, if you have one of these bikes and you have the rear rack, there's an issue with it, and I'm gonna show you how to check to see if yours has that issue, and if it does, I'm gonna show you how to fix it. If you're like me, I love my bike. And because of that, I bought all these different accessories to go with it. And I do have a video that talks about my accessories right here, but also during a 53-mile trip on a video that I did, I had an issue where the back rack disconnected and slid back on me, even though I thought I had it as tight as it should be. Now, before I show you how to fix this, let's test it out first. So I'm gonna show you how to do that very simply to see if you have this bolt tight enough to where it won't come unhooked. It's a very simple process. All I want you to do is I want you to release the front part of your rack. I just want you to unscrew it from the frame. And then if you can grab a hold of this piece and just pull on it. And there it is. It came right out. So I'm gonna show you how to fix this. All right, so let's loosen this bolt back up. And then slide this back in and reconnect it the way it was before we did the test. So put it back through the hole, and then let's screw it back into the frame. Now that we have it the way we want it, we want to go ahead, and now we just want to remove this nut. Run to the hardware store and purchase at least 2 M6 lock washers and 2 M6 flat washers. Apply the flat washer first, and that way it's going to give you some space in between this bracket and the end of that bolt so that you're not torquing it all the way down to the very end. And then we're going to put this lock washer on here to keep this nut from loosening up as it bounces around, and it gives you also a little bit more space like the other one does as well, making sure you're not hitting the end of the bolt. Grab your 10mm socket, which I didn't tell you that's the size you need, 10mm, and tighten this baby back up. There we go. I'm going to show you the difference this made by removing this front bolt, grabbing a hold of this, and pulling, and it's not going anywhere. So that is a huge difference to what it was before. You don't have to do that test, or maybe you want to. Either way, you'll see a huge difference, and it will help you know that your rack is good to go. There you go, guys. Super easy, super cheap, super quick hack for your bike rack. And if you have an Aventon, whether it be the Adventure or the Level or the Pace or whatever, if it has that kind of rack, it should work on yours as well. Give it a shot, see if that fixes it. I will be reviewing how this rack is holding up because I'm going to keep it on my bike until I hit the 1,000-mile. So that's about 200 or 300 miles left before I hit that, and I'll do a review, the 1,000-mile review, because yeah, there's some changes from the 500-mile review to the 1,000 that I'll be going over. So this rack will be one of them. Until then, it's beautiful weather, guys. Get out there. It's hot. As you can tell, it's hot. Look at my hat. I've been sweating. It's hot. Enjoy the ride. Get out there. Get it going. See you on the next video.